Well, another interesting algebra question. Look at this one. It might seem a little bit complicated or longer than what we have done before, but it's not that complicated. And let me tell you that every single problem that you find complicated in mathematics is being composed of many small ones we have done before. So what we need to do here is divide the question in two or three smaller parts and do them one by one, and then solve and then put them together and solve the whole equation. And let me tell you that this applies in life as well. It means that when you confront with many problems and you don't know what to do with three, four, five problems, what you need to do is divide them in two problems, two problems, and two problems, and start doing them. So let's see what we do here. We have 3x plus 2x this side, and then we have 10 minus 2x to the other side. So what we do, first, don't worry about this part. Suppose that this part doesn't exist. We only have 3x plus 2x. It's easy, right? So it's 3x plus 2x. How many x? 5x. That's done. So the first part of the problem is done. 5x. Great. So one part of the problem is solved. Now we only have another part, or maybe 2, 3 parts left. So let's have a look at that one. Equals 10 minus 2x. All right, that seems like the other one we solved the other day. So we have 2x. This is unknown, known, unknown. What do we need to do? Put all the unknowns one side and put all the knowns the other side. And that's it. So this is 2x. This is 5x. They're both unknown because of the x. So they need to be together. They have to be together. So if I want to take this 2x to the other side, or if I want to get rid of this 2x there, I need to plus a 3x here and plus a 3x there, right? So, sorry, why did I do 3x? It should be 2x. That's what happens when you have many problems. It should be 2x here, sorry. So, a 2x will be added here and a 2x will be added here. So 2x minus 2x and 2x, 0. 5x plus 2x is 7x. And 7x equals 10. Right? And the last part, x equals to 10 divided by 7. That's it. It's solved. The problem solved. That's how mathematics help us in our daily life as well. How it rewire our brain and we learn how to solve the problems, how not to get overwhelmed when we see different problems coming, and how to use our logic to solve our problems. So mathematics is actually useful. Thank you for watching. It's Mania from Genuine Mistake. Use mathematics in your life. Bye.